Saan ba mas magandang mag-invest? Metro Manila or emerging cities? Condos or lots? Pre-selling or resale? With a lot of options and different opinions out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed and confused. So ang tanong, what's the best strategy for first-time investors? I'm Edric Magwan, and this is The Real Deal! If you're a beginner in real estate investing, the best strategy is the one that is safer, more practical, and less complex. Also, the best way to get started is to hit that subscribe button to learn the smart way of investing in real estate. Pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, ang importante dito, hindi ka mapaso. But at the same time, you reap the maximum benefits. So I'll share with you the strategy that I used when I started investing, using these 3 important questions. Question number 1. Where should I invest? In Metro Manila or in adjacent emerging cities? After I've done my research, I've learned that investing in Metro Manila was a safer but still very much financially rewarding choice. Why? First, because there is a proven high demand for properties in Metro Manila, given that businesses and big offices remain in the area. Second, there is also more ongoing and committed developments in Metro Manila compared to adjacent cities, which will continue to increase the demand long term. If you want to learn about the developments with high growth potential, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. While there could be a lot of potential in the emerging cities in the very long run, the key concern I had was these areas are less predictable. How fast and how big will the whole community develop? How fast will the infrastructure projects materialize? So if you're a beginner, I suggest you start with a tested and proven route. And once you get more experience and more financial resources, then you can have some leeway to explore. Question number 2. What type of property should I invest in? Given that Metro Manila has a proven and high demand, this means that real estate prices are also more expensive, especially within and around major business centers. But the good news is, there's a strong condo market that is a lot more affordable than buying a house and lot or even a vacant lot in prime locations. And unlike residential lots, investing in a condo unit generates rental income or cash flow, which I can use to help cover my monthly loan amortization. And having additional cash flow may ease up the financial pressure as you test the waters of real estate investing. Question number 3. Should I buy in the resale market or invest in pre-selling offered by the developers? Before I started investing, I explored the resale market, where I could potentially buy condo units at below market value. And I quickly learned that the best deals in the resale market usually require 40 to 50% spot down payment. It would take me years to save up for it. I knew that if I would delay it, years later, tataas na naman yung price. So I decided to invest in a pre-selling condo unit from a developer. It is a lot more practical and less complicated. Developers can offer very low payment terms, which is a great way to earn capital appreciation early on with minimal cash outlay. Not to mention the complexity and risks involved in resale transactions. To learn more about the advantage of pre-selling, check out my other video. With this strategy, I was able to start investing in real estate the safe and smart way. If you need help in getting a property with high growth potential, send me a message on my Facebook or Instagram, or sign up for a free consultation with me via the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.